We'll guide you through how to limit FPS in any game with NVIDIA. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So sometimes it's good to go and just cap and limit the FPS so it doesn't go and fluctuate really high. So in this case, let's say I want to go and limit it to 60 FPS, but your screen different, it doesn't matter. So first of all, what I'm going to do is going to show you an example of a game with the FPS we're currently getting. So here we are in Minecraft. If I go and press F3, I can go and see the current FPS I'm getting is 300-ish, let's say. So what we're going to do is we're going to come out of here. And then what we need to do is we need to go and open up the NVIDIA control panel. So press search at the bottom, type in NVIDIA control panel and click on it to open it up. It shouldn't go and take too long to go and start. Here we are. Of course, you'll need to go and have this installed, which you can get by having the NVIDIA drivers on your computer. Now, what you want to do is you need to come to the top where it says 3D settings. And what you want to do is you want to go and press manage 3D settings in 3D settings, just here. And what we can do is we can go and choose between global or specific program. So you could just go and limit the FPS for a specific program. We'll just do it as a global case in this example. What you can then do is come down to max frame rate. Because at the moment it's off, we can go and click here and it will open. So select on, and then you can go and use the slider and go and choose the FPS. Alternatively, what you can do is you can go and type it over to the right as well. And once you've got it set to how you like it, press OK, and make sure you press apply in the bottom right. Go and wait. And now it's gone and refreshed. You'll go and see sort of flashes and it will go and be set. So now if we go and come back to a game, we'll come back to Minecraft. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to come and close out of Minecraft and we'll go and relaunch it. Now I'll go and open up the FPS and you'll go and see it won't go higher than 60. That's it. If you found this useful and you want to see more like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides like this. Have a great day and I'll catch you again soon. Thank you for watching.